Oh yeah, surprise shopping trip around my house to see if they have any fireworks here. I might be too early, so I might come back later. So yeah, let's go in. This is my first time shopping for fireworks at my house, but they have phantom poppers here. They have more poppers here than smoke stuff. They have more of the smoke stuff weapons I just saw the other day. But yeah, we have menards. I'm not sure what they have to survive yet because I've never been shopping for fireworks. Well, let's see on which side, so let's go in. So they have snaps here. I don't see the assortment packs yet. Yeah, grab one of these. Maybe I'll grab these too, I don't know.
Party poppers, Pop Mania.
I gotta find more of the assortment packs. Maybe I'll grab.
Seems like they just have the one pack, right?
Yeah.
Party poppers.
We already got these from the other store. And this has more.
Okay.
Beef ball.
That's on the corner here.
Bank snap for this, a jingle.
These are the bank snaps that we got at
It's a bigger box. Let's go find the assortment packs.
it might be it. Oh, well, look.
We might go to our local house if we don't find any here. Get one there. Or maybe we're too early, I don't know. We might be too early.
They have some back there. They have some. Let's see if they have anything more in the season.
I want to find the assortment packs. They got more in there. So I think that this is all they have, but we're going to try it out in the local house in Long Grove. This is my prospect location. So I think I'm just picking up these two things here. Oh yeah, we're not done. We're gonna look upstairs to clear this Halloween stuff. Okay, we're gonna take the elevator here. It's a loud door. The door's so loud. That door's so loud.
It's really loud.
Yeah. That's just a club, I believe. Yeah, we're gonna try a local store. I don't want to drive all the way out to Bunny Hills today. Maybe we'll do that when we go to Sam's Club next month. If they don't have anything here. Does that sound good?
Yes, Peter, we can do that.
Yeah. That's a big store anyway. Alright, here we are upstairs. Yeah, I don't have on the side here. Probably. Yeah, Christmas stuff.
Christmas. See what over here.
Here's the Halloween. Yeah, they got fall stuff over here. There's some buildings. Oh, here we go. We'll see what they have on clearance.
We got witches.
Witches, yeah. And then
We
there's
got what's this? A haunted
there's
sidewalk.
a Pennywise. Here's one of
Haunted
these.
Village. Yeah.
I have batteries are probably dead.
Oh, look, they have a scary phone.
So, yeah, I got that one here.
And you got an axe throwing vampire. I don't remember seeing this before.
Mm.
That's
Then they got
cool.
some stuff up there like candy balls and there's another phone.
Yeah.
I think we're done here.
Oh, look, they got hands.
Yeah, those. I think we're done.
Cool that they have this
Yeah.
stuff all year.
Yeah, they do. They have more Christmas stuff, Tommy, so yeah. Just gonna buy these two, and then I think all we have left to get out the, if we can find them, we can get the pack with the party poppers and like the assortment set. And, I mean, not party, but the confetti cannons, I mean. We need a confetti cannon pack and assortment set. That's what we need. Let's go back downstairs. Yeah, there's a loud door again.
Very loud.
Yeah.
I've heard on that loud.
It's also very slow too. This must be an old elevator.
I never noticed that so much phantom fireworks in the area.
Yeah.
We always bought TNT.
Yeah. We should look out for these more.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a good idea to drive all the way out to Bunny Hills today, Dad.
Nah, not today.
We'll probably do that when we go to Sam's Club next month. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
If they don't have, oh, that door's so loud I can't even tell. There's a bell. Yeah.
You want to go back and look at the setup before we pay?
Yeah. What's that up?
Where the fireworks on?
Oh, yeah.
See if we missed anything.
Yeah. I mean, we'll come back here next month wait on that spot to see if they have anything new. I mean, it might be too early for these, but I think there's about like 4th of July based if I'm not mistaken. Oh, y'all gonna try one more store by our house. I found something really cool. They have all these ornaments see with the various logos on them. And shirts too, they got all the merchandise here. Go back to the fireworks. Hey look, these are smaller boxes.
All they have is a wolf.
You want these?
No, we already bought those exact same boxes at over there.
They're smaller.
Oh, we didn't buy that?
But that's a bigger pack.
Yeah. We don't need those. We'll put those back. We'll go with these. We have some bank snaps already.
Yeah.
Is that done?
Yeah, this is what we're getting. We'll try one more store.